So very good morning. Right. So today we are here to discuss the back exercise, the assignments which were sent to you people yesterday. Right. So you just keep that assignment with you. Right, so that we can proceed. So the first question of your assignment which was sent to you people yesterday was, where was Birsa Munda seen roaming the villages and the forest, or the villages and forests of which area the Birsa Munda used to roam? Please raise your hands so you know the answer. Okay, Jasmine, you can unmute yourself, bete.
Ma'am, Birsa was seen roaming the forest and villages of Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand.
Yes, he was seen roaming in the forest and villages of Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. So I'll just write it on the board. That is the forest and villages of Chota Nagpur. That is Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. पहले ये झारखंड था, it was a part of बिहार, right? अब ये एक separate state है, पहले ये बिहार का part होता, right? चलिए, what is meant by the term fallow? Okay, Sharanjeet.
Fallow is a field that is left uncultivated for a while so that the soil can recover its fertility.
Okay, a field left uncultivated for a while so that the soil recovers fertility. The field left uncultivated. Field left uncultivated to regain soil fertility, right? So that the soil fertility जो है वो regain हो सके, right? Third one is, from where did Khonds tribe belong to? Where did Khond tribe belong to? Harshbir?
Khond's tribe belonged to a forest in Orissa.
Orissa. So we will just write right. So it is Orissa. Next, which tribe were not ready to work as laborers? They were who were not ready to work as the laborers. Okay. Simran. Yes, Simran.
Ma'am, the Kauls rebelled in 1831 to 32. Santals rose in revolt in 1855, and the Bastille Rebellion in central India took place in 1910.
See, our question is, which tribe refused to work as the laborers, right? So it is to be one word answer, right? इतना डिटेल हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Hazel?
Bhaigas.
Bhaigas, right? जहां आपके one word questions हैं, we are not required to write such details, right? Next is, which tribe used to work as cattle herders in Andhra Pradesh? Cattle herders in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Jatin?
The Baldis in Andhra.
Can you please repeat?
Labadis.
Labadis. Yes. This is Labadis. These were the cattle herders in Andhra Pradesh, right? So ऐसे ही जो पंजाब हिल्स है वहां पर we can find the Gujars, who are the cattle herders. हिमाचल में these are Gaddis, right? जम्मू कश्मीर में चले जाओ these are Bakkarwals, right? So ऐसी काफी सारी communities हैं who work as a cattle herders, who were seen amongst the tribes as more civilized in comparison to the hunter-gatherers and shifting cultivators. शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेटर्स और हंटर गैदरर्स के कंपैरिजन में कौन से लोग जो थे वो सिविलाइज्ड माने जाते थे? शरणजीत कौर,
The Gonds and the Santals.
यहाँ पर something else is required. सुखनूर,
The settled communities were considered more civilized than hunters, gatherers, and shifting cultivators.
settled cultivators जो एक जगह पर या एक जगह करते थे वो सिविलाइज्ड माने जाते थे, बाकी जो थे वो अनसिविलाइज्ड माने जाते थे. Who were the outsiders being referred to as Dickus? कौन थे जो एज अ डिकूज रेफर किए गए? गुरसिमरन,
Britishers.
नॉट ओनली ब्रिटिशर्स, यहाँ पर ब्रिटिशर्स, मनी लेंडर्स,
Ma'am, traders also.
ट्रेडर्स,
Missionaries.
मिशनरीज,
Hindu landlords.
ये सारे लोग जो थे ये these were called as a Dickus, right? These were treated as a Dickus, right? So now we will just move with the back exercise of our chapter, right? Fine. The British described the tribal people as yes, Sukhnoor.
Wild and savage.
Yes, wild and savage. So I will just write on this. It is wild and savage. Second one, the method of sowing seeds in jhum cultivation is known as? It is known as broadcasting. It is known as broadcasting. Right? यहाँ पर spread कर दी जाती है, sprinkle कर दी जाती हैं seeds. The tribal chiefs got dash titles. Yes, you can please unmute yourself and you can answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
land titles.
land.
Land
Land
titles.
titles.
Land titles. Right. Next is tribals went to work in dash
Tea
of Assam
plantation, and coal
and
mines of
Bihar.
Bihar.
कौन से क्या है? Tea plantation of Assam and second
Coal
में
mines of
coal mines.
coal mines of
Coal mines. Right? Coal mines of Bihar. See, जो झारखंड और छत्तीसगढ़ एरिया है ना, that are very famous for the coal mines. बहुत अच्छा coal या iron भी यहाँ पर पाया जाता है. Right? Now it is your true false. Jhum cultivators plow the land and sow seeds.
False.
False. Second one. Cocoons were bought from the santals and sold by the traders at 5 times the purchase price.
True.
True. Birsa urged his followers to purify themselves, giving up drinking liquor and stop believing in witchcraft and sorcery.
True.
True.
The British wanted to preserve the tribal way of life.
False.
False.
False. Now let's move with the other questions. What problems did shifting cultivators face under British rule? What problems did shifting cultivators face under British rule? Okay, ये भी आप लोग बताइए. Jatin. Yes, Jatin, unmute yourself.
In colonial rule, the tribal people had a great loss of their grazing and cultivable land.
Yes.
The Britishers also introduced forest laws, which didn't allow them to clear the forest and
Yes.
do agriculture on them.
Yes.
There was also a great impact on traders.
Yes. See, as
Bus.
far as these shifting cultivators is concerned, the problems which they faced, first of all, the effect was there on the cultivable land, right? They were not allowed to cultivate in this field, right? The Britishers wanted them to get settled and then have cultivation or do cultivation on a fixed piece of land. Secondly, they were treated as a criminals. ये criminal tribes कराने लगी. Why? Because they kept on countries to another. Britishers believe that it is very difficult to control these tribes when they are moving here and there. Right? So they wanted कि एक जगह settle हो जाएंगे तो इसको control करना जो है वो easy हो जाएगा. Right? And as mentioned कि इनके जो pasture lands थे जहाँ पर cattle थे वो भी I mean they used to be there कि pasture land के वो भी कम हो गए. Right? So ये कुछ problems थी that was there in the that was faced by the shifting cultivators under the British rule. Next is, how did the powers of tribal chiefs change under colonial rule? Jasmilan?
Yes, ma'am. Under British rule, the powers of tribal changes were changed. They were allowed to keep land, but they lost many administrative power.
Yes, lost administrative powers. Next,
They were forced to pay. They were forced to pay laws made by British in
yes,
India.
they were forced to pay tribute. मतलब जबरदस्ती के उनके जो थे वो इन्हें देने पड़ते थे. कुछ ना कुछ अभी they had to give the Britishers. Right?
They were forced to follow laws made by British in India.
Yes.
British.
They have to forced to follow British rules. Yes.
They were unable to fill their traditional functions.
Yes. Unable to fulfill traditional functions.
They also lost their authority.
Yes. So ये अपने traditions जो थे वो fulfill नहीं कर सकते. तो ये कुछ problems जो थी या these in this way the power was reduced. Right? So they lost the authority. they lost the authority. They lost the authority. Right? Okay, next. What accounts for the anger of tribals against the Tikus? अब यहाँ पर हमने क्या सारा ही मेंशन करना है कि why these tribals were against the Tikus. Tikus में सारे ही आ जाएंगे. All the outsiders. Right? So here who will explain? Jatin?
The tribals practiced shifting cultivation, but the British forced them to follow settled agriculture.
Yes.
They also intro-
Versus
they, they also introduced land settlements.
land settlements.
Traders and money lenders were coming into the forest to buy forest produce at a very cheap rate.
Yes. यहाँ पर आपको self-producers का जो है वो पढ़िए. How the self-producers were suppressed. Right? उसके बाद इसके kind of forest laws. Right? Then we will write about the fisheries. Who were
Right.
nationality. Right?
Tribal chiefs also lost their authorities.
Yes, or tribal chiefs जो थे, they also had lost authority because of the Britishers. Right? So ये reasons थे which has led to you can say the anger of the tribals against the Tikus. Now, what was Birsa's vision of a golden age? Why do you think such a vision appeals to the people of the region? उसका क्या vision था? Golden age इसका क्या मतलब? Let me see. A few students have raised their hand. Simran. Yes, Simran.
Birsa
Unmute
was-
yourself. हाँ जी.
Birsa was deeply influenced by many of the ideas he came in touch within his growing years. The
Right.
movement that he led was aiming at reforming the tribal society. He urged the Munda society to give up drinking liquor, clean their villages, and stop believing in witchcraft and sorcery.
Okay.
He also constructed embankments, taped natural springs, planted trees and orchards. Birsa wanted to restore the glorious past in which the Mundas were living a peaceful life. Such a vision appealed to the people of the region because they were very much eager to lead a free life.
Fine. So here such the vision of golden age means that was the truth age or the age of the truth where he believed that the golden age means where the Tikus were expelled or the outsiders will be expelled from their land and the land will be belonging to the Munda community or their own tribes. The tribal chiefs will be able to rule the tribes again. They will again will have the authority which had been lost, and even his golden under his golden vision, he urged the people to give up liquor, to speak truth, and to live the life of the purity. They should lead the life of purity, and he even did not want any of the outsider, any of the Tikus to interfere in their religion, in their traditions, in their ways of living. Or we can say that he did not want any outsider to interfere in any of their part, be it the Europeans, be it the missionaries, be it the traders, or anyone. Right? So this was exactly the vision, और because of these things, जहाँ पर लोगों को ये लगने लगा कि yes, हमारी जो powers जो चली गई हैं दोबारा आ जाएंगी, तो ये चीजें जो थी उन्होंने इन चीजों ने लोगों को काफी ज्यादा attract, right? So we have finished the assignment discussion also. So our chapter comes to an end. And in tomorrow's class, in next class, we will start the new chapter, that is the visual arts, right? So same history का ही हम लोग continue करेंगे. So you will be there with your history.